All right, so I'm finally putting my magnets on the fridge from my Australia, New Zealand trip. This is the Sydney Opera House, the Taronga Zoo. This is Sydney, Australia. This is Melbourne, Australia. This is Merimbula, Australia. This is Eden, Australia. This is the Killer Whale Museum in Eden. This is Dunedin. This is the Royal Albatross Center. This is Hamner Springs in New Zealand. This is Picton, New Zealand. This is Taronga, New Zealand. This is Mount Maunganui. I'm saying that so wrong. This is Rotorua in New Zealand. This magnet says Kia ora, which just means be healthy. It's a saying that they say in New Zealand. This magnet is a magnet from the ship. It's the Norwegian Spirit magnet. And then this magnet I got from Bob and Ann. Thank you. It says Captain on it.